Hi guys, it's Nikki, and today I wanted to quickly do this video because as you can see, I'm bummed out today. I'm still in my pajamas. I'm going to be using Lanza. There's not too much information on it. I went to the Lanza, I tried to look up some information. I found I went to the Lanza PDF that it showed you directions. I read the PDF like mad times. There's rules and directions on how to use Lanza hair products. I watched some videos. I really like that this was a healing product, so this works well with like fried, frazzled, not like over processed hair. I don't know. My hair is not super the healthiest, but it's intact and it's okay. It's not like crunchy galore, you know what I'm saying? So also I had taken some screenshots, I'll show you over here, of the different colors that I would need to use and some directions, mixing ratios, and all that stuff. So what I decided to do was got the healing colors. I went and got a boatload of them. I got these. What I got is the 8P and 8A. That would be for my root smudge if I wanted to do it. I'm not going to do that today. So I have 9P and 100V. I made a mistake. I did not mean to get 100V. I meant to get 100P. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this right now. And then I have 10P and 100 right here. I'm just going to go ahead and do the 100 blonde booster. I'm going to use the 10P. And I'm going to do a little smidge of the 9P because I'm going for that light blonde ashy tone. Like, I'm trying to go for that in here. So cross my fingers and hope that works. I got also the Demi cream developer along with the translucent. So Demi Trans combo. I'm gonna do a Demi Trans combo. I had to learn this stuff, you know what I'm saying? So for ratios, there wasn't too much information online about ratios. All there was on the pictures was 1 part toner, 1 part trans, and 2 parts demi. So, and 20 minutes to deposit the glaze in your hair. So this is my formula. I'm going to be using 30 grams of 10P, 20 grams of 100, and 10 grams of 9P. Okay? And then I'm going to use 60 grams or 2 ounces of translucent and 120 grams or 4 ounces, which is 4 ounces of the demi. All right. Oh, it's so strong. Okay. All right, so like I was saying, I was able to get it to a creamy consistency. See? It's a lot. So I was able to get it to this yogurty consistency. It looks like vanilla yogurt. All right, let's start the process. Okay, so I'm at the bottom of the barrel. I thought it was too much, but I made just enough to cover all my dry hair. And it turned into this grayish tinge of lavender color towards the end. And this cream, it's not as strong as the Wella toner. And that's good, like smell wise, and not as strong as the Wella toner in general, where it doesn't burn. It's not burning me, which is great. I'm not burning. What a mess. What a mess. This is the color it came out to. It's dark purple. It's this color. This is the color. It's been over 20 minutes. I gotta hurry up and wash this out. so I just wanted to show you the color of it. That's how it goes. I am definitely the Lanza guinea pig right now, so I don't even know. I'm gonna wash this thing out, shampoo, condition, and see how it looks. I'm super excited. I would wait a little bit more for it to get dried, but I'm just gonna show it right now. I'm too anxious. So let's take this off. The big reveal. Dun. Wow. Wow, it really ashed out nicely. Cause my hair was getting kind of yellow anyways. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Wow, it's like ashy blonde. So this came out really nice. It's ashy blonde. Wow. Let's see how it looks dry. I mean, it came out really good. The toner didn't burn. I put it on for, I think I left it on over 20 minutes by accident. I left it on for 25 minutes or more, maybe less than 30 minutes. But it's great. I rinsed out the toner. I didn't wash it with purple shampoo, and I didn't wash it with purple shampoo. I did my Aussie shampoo and my Aussie conditioner, 3-minute miracle. My 3-minute miracle. I rinsed it out and that's it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm liking the way it looks now. I like how ashy silvery blonde it is. This is so cool. I'm telling you, if this comes out proper, I'm going to be so happy. So far I like the way it looks when it's wet, and you know it gets lighter when it dries, and my hair feels nice. This is a healing color treatment. That's why I wanted to get it, because it has keratin and all that stuff in the product, and it's supposed to be healing, and I'm loving Lanza right now. It's really nice. You just gotta work out the color mixing process, but it's super nice. So the next step I'm gonna do is I'm going to let my hair air dry, because I'm going to be curling it, because I want to show you the definition with the curls, and I want to do a side by side with the other time that I did with the Wella T14 to show you the difference. So that's it. I will see you guys in a little bit. Hi. So I'm back. My hair is dry and it feels really nice. It feels really nice for it being toned and everything. It feels like my regular normal hair. It feels really good. And I don't have my fireplace on. There you go. So this is how the color came out. I didn't use any heat. It's really nice. It toned it out really, really well. It's more cooler toned. It's more cooler toned. I could tell the difference. I don't know if you can, but I'll definitely be able to tell the difference when I actually am able to actually curl my hair. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I'm going to just sleep with my hair like this for tonight, and then tomorrow I'm gonna curl it so I can show you what it looks like all styled, and then I'm gonna put a side to side to see what the color difference was before and after. I think it's not like a crazy big difference, but it's a difference in color. So I want to show you before I go. After I took my towel off and before I detangled my hair with my wet brush, this one, my fave, this one with the bristles, with the, I then put the Miracle Curls. This is my absolute fave. The Leave-In Detangling Milk Miracle Curls, and I have the shampoo. That's what I shampooed my hair with. Then they have the conditioner, which I use a little bit for the top of my head, and then I used the 3-minute Miracle Coconut Curls treatment for the rest of my hair, and that is super made my hair so silky and soft, and I feel like it is a miracle, literally. And then I use this to detangle. I use that first, and then I put some of this after I put this on to help to detangle it. It's the curl defining oil, which this you're supposed to put on damp hair, and this one you can put on wet or dry hair. So I put on wet, and I'm gonna put on a little bit before I go to sleep. And I'm gonna sleep on my hair, and I'm gonna do my hair tomorrow because I gotta do some more videos. And then I'm gonna show you how it looks dry. Super excited, everything's going well. Awesome. Hi guys, so it's been over 2 days. 2 days after I made the video of me toning my hair with the Lanza healing colors. And I want to say that I really like it. I like how the tone came out. It's really nice. So I'm going to show you. Like I said, I curled it so you can see the definition. It's like an ashy, silvery blonde to me. And it's perfect. It's really, really nice. I really enjoyed using see, I want to show you actually. Let me show you more. See? I'm digging the Lanza a lot. I like how it came out. I like the creamy consistency and everything. I think it was really, really good. So this was a success, and my hair feels really good. My hair feels really good. No lie, like I'm totally going to say recommend. I totally recommend what made my hair so beautiful and healed, and I do not feel like it's damaged or crunchy or anything at all. I just feel like it's just my regular hair. You could see it's not breaking. I mean, hair falls out regularly. Nothing's falling out right now. I mean, it's probably not the healthiest in the world, but for what I did to it and everything, how it came back, I'm going to highly recommend the Aussie line. I use the Aussie coconut curls. I said it in my other videos that I did before, and like usually all my hair videos currently, I'm using the Aussie line. It's amazing. I learned from just people posting up images of what they use, how many grams, and how it came out. So that's what I'm trying to help you guys with, showing you how I did it, so maybe when you research you can go by how mine came out from what I did if you like the color that it came out as. So that's it. That's all for my video. I hope you enjoyed and found this informative. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Good.